Good morning, children. You have learned to read, to write 9-digit numbers. Now you know to give the place value of all the digits in a 9-digit number according to the Indian system and international system. Children, often you might have heard that around 5,000 tourists visited Bangalore last month. 50,000 people watched football match. 10 lakh people attended Karaga festival. Around means it is not the actual figure. It may be different. 50,386 might have watched football match. Now we should also learn to give rounded numbers, right? Next time when you celebrate birthday party, you should be able to tell round figure for attended people. It's easy and comfortable to tell around 50 people instead of 53 people attended. We will recap the rules learned already. Let us learn round off numbers. Let us read this number. It is 4-digit number. 1257. You have to round off the number to tens place. It is 5 here. So what we have to do? Identify tens place, encircle the digit, then move to the right digit. It is 7 here. Next digit you have to compare with 5. If it is 0 to 4 or if it is lesser than 5, you have to keep the encircled digit as it is. But it is not so here. It is 7 here. 7 is greater than 5. So 0. Now what you have to do? If it is greater than or equal to 5, you have to add 1 to your tens place. It is 5 plus 1. It is 6 here. So now what you have to do? You got different one more for your tens place now. You have to make the rest of the digits. You have rounded off tens place. Now you have to make the rest of the digits 0. So your rounded number is 1260. This question is from your textbook. You have to round off the number to tens place. It is 25. What you have to do first? You have to identify the digit at tens place. It is 10. Then it is 2. Now you have to observe the next digit. Move to the right digit. It is 5 here. 5 is equal to 5. So what you have to do? According to the rule, you have to add 1 to 2, right? So 1 plus 2, how much? It is 3. So what is your rounded number now? You got new number 3, new digit 3 at tens place now, right? So what is your rounded number? It is 30. Next question is read the number. Sixth question, 1239. You have to round off the number to tens place. Now identify the digit. It is 3. Next, observe the next digit. It is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 to 3, right? So now which number you will get at the tens place? You will get 4. What is your new rounded number? It is 1240. We will move to the next main, C main. You have to round off the numbers to hundreds place. Identify the digit at hundreds place. It is 535 and the digit at hundreds place is 5. Observe the next digit. It is 3. You have to compare the next digit, right? 3 you have to compare. 3 is lesser than 5. So what is the rule? You need not add or keep the remaining 5 as it is. So rounded off number is 500. Next question is 1156. You have to round off this number to hundreds place. Identify the digit at hundreds place. It is 1. Observe the next digit. It is 5. 5 is equal to 5. You have to compare the next digit 5 with 5. If it is equal to 5, what the rule says? You have to add 1 to hundreds place. Add 1 to 1, it is 2. What is your rounded number? Your rounded number is 1200. In this email, you have to round off the numbers to thousands place. Second question, it is 24,408. Identify the place at thousands place. It is 4 here. Now observe the next digit. It is 4. 4 is lesser than 5. What you have to do according to the rule? You keep the thousands place, that is 4 as it is. Right? New rounded number is 24,000. Make the remaining digits 00. Next question, 36,705. You have to round off the number to thousands place. Now, identify the digit. It is 6 at thousands place. So, observe the next digit, 7. 7 is greater than 5. Now, what you have to do? Add 1 to 6. The new thousands place will be, new digit at thousands place will be 7. What is your rounded number? It is 37,000. Children, we will round off the same number 74,95,289 to different places now. First, we will round off the number to tens place. First row, just observe the first row. Tens place, it is, identify the digit at tens place. It is 8, right? So, what you have to do? Next digit 9 we have to observe 9, right? So 9 is greater than 5. Now what you have to do? You have to add 1 to here, 1 you have to add, right? Add 1, then tens place will be 9 instead of 8. Write the number 74,95,290. Next digit after rounding of the place, next digit should be 0. Next same number 74,95,289. Which digit you have to, which place you have to round off? It is hundreds place, you have to round off the same number. Next observe the digit 8. It is greater than 5, right? So what you have to do? Here also you have to add 1. Add 1. So the new hundreds place will be, new hundreds place digit will be, it is 3. The new number is, rounded number is 74,95,300. Next number is, same number 74,95,289. Which place you have to round off? You have to round off to thousands place. Right, which identify the thousands place here. It is 5 here. Next digit is 2. It is lesser than 5. So don't add anything. Keep the 5 at thousands place as it is. Rest of the digits 00. You got your rounded number? It is 74,95,000. The number is the same, 74,95,299. You have to round off the number to 10,000s place. Identify the digit at 10,000s place. It is 9 here, right? So move just observe the next digit. It is 5. So what you have to do? You have to add 1 here, right? Add 1 at 10,000s place. Now 9 plus 1, 10. Here it will become 0, right? Here it is 0. Next 1 carry over here. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. Now it is 7. Now what you have to do? Next remaining 3 digits 0, 0. Make the other digits. Did you get the new number? 75. Insert the commas. 75 lakhs it is. 4 digits you have to write 0, right? I need eraser now. This question is from your textbook.
75
The distance
lakhs.
from the
You
Earth
got
to the Moon is
new number.
3,84,400 kilometers. Round this to the nearest thousands place. So identify the digit at thousands place. It is 4 here. Observe the next digit. It is 4. It is lesser than 5. So what the rule says? Keep 4. Keep the digit at thousands place 4 as it is, right? So what is the new rounded number? It is 3,84,000 kilometers. Children, now you learn to round off the number, given number to different places. You should be able to give the rounded numbers for 24,04,959 to tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place yourself. You should not take anybody's help. Suppose if you could not give the rounded number, watch the video once again and solve the sum, write the rounded number yourself. Thank you, children.